Chapter 20. Small mind, great mind and big mind. 1. As all rivers merge in ocean, so all small minds merge in big mind. Big mind knows past, present and future. It contains all that you can achieve in this life. Small mind is like waves, it goes on changing statements. Big mind is like an ocean, all discoveries have come from big mind. However, all thoughts come like waves from small mind. Similarly, body cells change continuously. In 1 decade, all new cells of body are formed. So constant birth and death of cells continue. 2. When small mind is unaware of big mind, it becomes unstable. The big mind is always in expansion till it become great mind, the superconscious mind. When small mind becomes silent, it becomes big. When it is quiet, one goes into sleep. In absolute silence, big mind turns into infinite, cosmic mind, that is great mind, which is superconscious. 3. Between God, Guru and Self, there is no difference. Master, an enlightened Guru, is reflecting big mind. One must try to merge in big self, the quiet self, ultimately the silent self, and turn towards big mind and finally in absolute silence to be with great mind, to superconscious state. 4. Master is the inner reflection of your own self. When you trust yourself, you trust Master. If you trust Master, then trust in yourself grows. 5. If you cannot love somebody, it shows or means that you cannot love yourself deeply. If you want to achieve this, that is to love yourself, you start loving Master or God so deeply, and then you will see that it does not take you long to turn your small mind into the big mind, and to live in big mind in peace under perfect silent state transforms your big mind into the great mind, and then you will be with the Absolute. 6. If small mind accepts the thoughts, then it is called free will, or in other words, when things happen according to thoughts that come to you, you claim it to be your free will. And when your thoughts were contrary to what happened, you call it destiny. In other scenario, if you fight against the thought, it is called destine. 7. In dreams, past impressions of mind are realized. There may be some thoughts of future and intuitions also. In dream, either you are in past or daydreaming. 8. Our tongue maintains relation between mind and heart, and it follows which one is dominating. 9. In Mahabharata, war, Kaurava had 11 Akshohini Sena, 5 sense organs, 5 Karm Indriya and mind, and 7 Maharathis or great warriors, whereas Pandav had 7 Akshohini Sena and 11 Maharathis or great warriors, reverse that of Kauravas. War lasted for 18 days and Srimad Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters.